quick video to talk about my hair growth oil and my hair ends oil. You know, I have just recently started selling these. That doesn't mean that I just recently started using them, but I also create them and make them. I also learned about a new brush I wanted to tell you about, and I already did in one of the, look at the waves. I don't have any crimper. I haven't used a crimper. I am just using one of these flex brushes, which I do sell for $15 plus shipping and handling, usually around, man, postage is high these days, around $5 or $6 or so. But I just think it's really neat how it brings out your actual, look at the wave. So apparently my hair is wavy, and I didn't know that. I thought it was just like a lot of different textures all together. And as you brush it with this flex brush, and I don't know why that makes all the difference, it just brings out your actual texture of your hair. I always thought I had like 20 different textures in my hair, and it feels like I do. But this is one of the hair oils, and I just filled it up and I spilled a little bit on the side. This one is Royal Frankincense Watermelon. It doesn't have a lot of watermelon, not as much as I would like, because but you can kind of smell the frankincense. I think the frankincense is a little more powerful than the watermelon is. But the oil is for the ends. So there's one spray. Now, mind you, I'm coming all the way down to the ends, and there's 3. And then after I just spray those 3, it also, it kind of, you know, tames down, because that, at least mine, the ends of my hair are a little bit brittle. And if there's any excess, yeah, I bring it up into this part, but it's 3 squirts. The main thing is to do it daily, and it serves as a protectorant. If you're interested in the hair growth part, you're gonna want one of these, which I also sell, and that is a massager. And there's a technique to that too. You don't want to just, you know, you want to do a gentle circular motion lift, and then another circular motion lift, circular motion. I still have oil, a little bit of oil on my scalp brush, so I just do this every day. And the hair growth oil has aloe vera, fenugreek. It has, I may miss something in my list here, but I'm telling you, it has vitamin E. This is the hair growth oil. Well, the ends one has vitamin E in it as well, but they have some scents in them, you know, like aroma scents. So the hair growth oil, frankincense, cedarwood, rosemary, vitamin E, fenugreek, onion oil, aloe oil, and argan oil. That's a lot. And all of those, if you look up any one of the, oh, and tea tree, a few drops of tea tree. If you look up any one of those oils that I just now listed, you will see that all of those are supportive for hair growth. But they are not, and I repeat, they are not going to do you any good if they are in this bottle and just sitting there with the lid on. This is not what makes your hair grow, this sitting on your counter. What makes your hair grow is you doing this daily with the hair growth oil, 1 to 3 sprays, depending on how thick your hair. Now my hair is pretty thick. This isn't hair growth oil, but it has the similar components, so I can show you. 1, see, that's a whole spray. Don't let any of it go to waste. 2, and I get thin right in here, so I try to put it there. Now that wasn't the hair growth, that was the hair end protectorant. But just to show you, that's all you do. And the other trick, this is all going to work together, is the hair growth oil, the massage brush, which you may have one. And if you don't have this massage brush, which feels so good, just keep lifting it, putting it in the places that are thinnest. And you can also use your fingertips, but I don't know. I think this feels better. It's not motorized or anything. You do have to do it in a circle, but this is what's going to stimulate your health of your scalp. And then the other things now that I added is the flex brush that gives you your proper texture, apparently. My friend says that she puts, or her daughters use it in the shower, but somebody said don't brush your hair while it's wet. So I'm not sure about, look at that. That's from this. And a little bit from the oils, giving some moisture throughout. Okay. The other thing that is going to make you succeed is the trifecta. And you could probably do the trifecta, and it would probably be helpful, but it's still not going to work without the daily massage. It's going to be even better with the daily hair growth and the daily oil protectorant. It all goes together, guys. Okay, the trifecta. You only shampoo your scalp. That's step 1. Tri meaning 3. From here to here is the only place that you put shampoo. From here to here, you use conditioner. And then the bottom third, you use the oil. Now, I said 3 sprays a day. Oh, you can, if it's feeling like it's dry, you can put as much as you want in there. I mean, I wouldn't put the whole bottle in, but because I wouldn't waste it, but just put 1 or 2 or 3 a day on the ends. And so I sell all of these. I sell this brush for $12.50. I sell these for $10 a piece. Hair growth oil is $10. Hair end oil is $10. And the scalp brush is $8. And I have pink or blue right now. So you can private message me on Facebook. I'm sure most of you are friends, or you can comment with your email for me, or message me with your email and tell me what you want on the YouTube inbox, and I can hook you up. You can get any of these products. I told you what I put in my blend. You can go out and buy frankincense, cedarwood, tea tree, aloe oil, argan oil. You're going to spend a couple $100. But you can buy it for me, buy it from me at $10 a pop, and it lasts. They said that there's about 120 sprays in these, but I did a test the other day while I was talking and we were counting, and I did 120 sprays and I still had half a bottle left, but I was doing the test with water. So I don't know if oil, like comes out a little bit more and it only lasts 120. But on the internet, I read that 10 millimeters will get you 100 minimum sprays, 80 to 100. And we got 120 and we were only halfway finished with our thing. So anyway, I just sell these. I'm not making, I'm not trying to line my pockets. I'm just trying to help people. You can tell by my prices that that's what I'm about. So be sure to share comments, share this video, subscribe to this video, contact me with questions or leave questions in the comments. Thank you for watching.